Lesson 7.6, Growth and Decay. The focused learning target is I can solve problems involving exponential growth, and I can solve problems involving exponential decay. Vocabulary is exponential growth is a quantity that increases by the same percent r in each unit of time t. And the equation is y is equal to a times the sum of 1 and r to the power of t, where a is the initial amount, t is the time, r is the rate of change as a decimal, y is equal to the final amount. So let's go ahead and look at this problem here. The college tuition has risen 5% each year since 2000. If the tuition is 2000 in the year 2000 was 10,850, write an equation for the amount of the tuition t years after 2000. Then predict the cost of tuition for this college in 2015. Alright, so the first step that we want to make when solving this problem is to identify a, t, r, and y. And then calculate what y is. So what is a? A is the initial amount. So let's set a is equal to, it's the initial amount, right? The initial cost for tuition is 10,850. Now t is the time in years. So t is going to be the 2015, the number of years from 2000 to 2015. So that is 2015 minus 2000. So that's going to equal to 15 years. Okay. Now we need r, the rate of change. So r is 5%. And in order to change 5% into a decimal, we are going to take 5 and divide it by 100. Another way to think about it is we move the decimal place to the left 2 spaces. Right? So it becomes 0.05. Now we want to predict the cost of tuition for this college in the year 2015. How do we do that? We substitute all of these values for a, t, and r into our equation, and we calculate y. Let's go do that now. We'll set y is equal to a, 10,850, times the sum of 1 plus r, which is 0.05, all to the power of t, which is 15. And if we go and grab a calculator, we can calculate this. So 1.05 to the power of 15, and we multiply that by 10,850, and that is going to equal 22,556, and let's put 2 cents on there, so it's going to be 37 cents. Now what are the units of this number? We're talking about college tuition, and we are in dollars. So this is going to be $22,556.37. And that's what we're going to put here for our cost. And our equation is going to go up on line number 1. So we're going to have y is equal to 10,850 times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 15. And then our cost is $22,556.37.